frustrated with flickering lights, annoying buzzing, or dim areas in your home? Let's fix those common lighting problems today. Lighting issues can be more than just annoying. They might signal deeper electrical problems or poor lighting design. Understanding these issues is the first step to solving them. For flickering lights, start by tightening the bulb. If that doesn't help, use a multimeter to check for voltage fluctuations. It might also be time to upgrade your dimmer switches to ones compatible with your bulbs. Buzzing often stems from incompatible dimmer switches. Switch to a dimmer that matches your bulb type, or reduce the load on a single dimmer by spreading lights across multiple switches. If your room's too dim, switch to higher lumen bulbs or reassess your fixture placement. Adding task lighting can also enhance functionality in spaces like kitchens or offices. Keep your fixtures clean to maximize light output, and consider consulting a professional for persistent issues. Don't forget to layer your lighting with ambient, task, and accent solutions for optimal illumination. Ready to illuminate your home perfectly? Visit our website for more tips and tricks on home lighting solutions and say goodbye to common lighting problems.